Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to add a menu on Elementor. We'll cover the simple steps to get your website navigation up and running smoothly. This process involves two main parts. First, creating your menu in WordPress, and then adding and styling it using Elementor. You'll find it's a very intuitive experience, allowing you to design a professional-looking menu in just a few minutes. Let's dive in and make your site's navigation clear and user-friendly for all your visitors. The first step is to create your menu directly within WordPress. Head over to your WordPress dashboard, find Appearance, and then click on Menus. Here, you'll give your new menu a clear name, like Primary Menu, and then click Create Menu. Now, you can start adding all the important pages, posts, or custom links you want your visitors to access. Simply select them from the left-hand side and add them to your menu. You can easily reorder items by dragging and dropping them into place, creating sub-menus too. Now that your menu is ready in WordPress, let's bring it into Elementor. Open the page where you want to add your menu using the Elementor editor. On the left-hand panel, search for the Nav Menu widget. Once you find it, simply drag and drop it onto your page where you'd like your navigation to appear. After placing the widget, you'll see its settings. From the drop-down menu, select the specific WordPress menu you just created. It's that simple to integrate your navigation onto your Elementor design. With your menu now on the page, it's time to make it look fantastic. Elementor offers extensive styling options. In the Style tab of the Nav Menu widget, you can customize everything from typography, including font family and size, to text and background colors for both normal and hover states. You can also adjust the layout, alignment, and even add cool pointer effects. Remember to check the responsive settings to ensure your menu looks perfect on all screen sizes. Once satisfied, save your work and enjoy your polished, user-friendly navigation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.